Hey guys and gals, this is Army Mech 1, aka Michelle. I have a C4 quest from the Raiders, so I went ahead and used my floppy disk, and I opened up the floppy coordinates. So let's go see what we got going on. I know we'll get 2 C4, but hopefully we get some other good stuff. I don't really care about electronic circuits. I got a nice stack going on at the base. But maybe a puppy. I like puppies. Hopefully a boy puppy, because I've got like 10 girls. I have way too many girl puppies. And there's my puppy. Hi, puppy. Nice to see ya. And kill you guys. I don't care about the wood. Give me something good. Of course, the electronic circuit, the engine part, you can keep the wood. Definitely need that C4. Hey, SWAT gear. I got lots of you, but I can use more. Regular AK-47, steel plate, aluminum plate. Alright, hey, there's 2 more copper bars that I can smelt. I don't have a lot of gun oil right now, but I have a ton of air filters. Do I care about any of this other stuff? Well, I guess I could load it up in the machine. Yay, choppers. Choppers are awesome. So yeah, that's my loot. Ooh, white paint. I need white paint. Ah, toxic abomination. Go away. I think I've only managed to, like, get 5 white paint. I don't know, something like that. Did you drop anything good? We'll make a bandage, so we got another spot. Can always use more bandages, sure. What was I gonna take? The paint can stay there. I got plenty of other paint. The white paint, I definitely want, because those are hard to come by. Alright, that's the loot from my floppy disk. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Bye.